Alrighty, now what, Princess Pham?
Now we're going to have to create some static.
Okay, like this?
Look, Princess T, I finally created enough static to pick it up.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi, Prince and Princesses, it's Princess T.
Hi, Princess Pham.
Today we have a fun science experiment to do with you guys called...
It's called the DIY Magnet Science Experiment.
What do we need for this science experiment?
Well, we're gonna need a few things around the house. So here we have some clean towels, we have some foil, we have some styrofoam balls. Ours are glittery orange and black. And we have some markers for fun, and we also have some styrofoam cups.
That's awesome! So what's our first step?
So our first step is to cover our styrofoam balls with foil.
Ooh, how do we do that?
Okay, so I'm gonna turn this around, and I'm gonna grab some foil here. You can ask a parent for help if you need it. I'm just gonna get a little bit of foil here, enough to cover my little ball, and I'm just gonna cover it like this.
Okay, let's try this. I got my foil, I have my styrofoam ball, and Princess Pham said that we don't need a lot of foil on it, so just like a thin layer, trying not to overlap it. All right, there we go. I have one ball completed, and I'm just gonna put that right here.
And let's do some more.
So let's get more foil. Here. And oh!
Easy peasy.
Alright, all done. We made a whole bunch of foil wrap balls. Now what, Princess Pham?
Now it's for the fun part.
What's the fun
This
part?
part
That
I
was
made
pretty
it.
fun.
Yeah, this one's more fun. I made it up myself. Because I got these markers, and I say we should either decorate our balls or we can decorate our cup. Either one.
Or both!
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna get this red marker, and I say I draw like a little smiley face.
Yeah.
And a big smiley face there. Hi, it's nice to meet you.
Since you drew a smiley face, I guess I could draw a sad face.
What?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna draw some big round eyeballs. Ooh, there we go. And then a little frown.
And I'm going to try to draw the earth. So I'm doing green as the continents. There's 7 of them. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do the other side. 4, 5. We see the fit 2 more. 6. Hold up. There we go. And last but not least, 7. And then Princess Pham, can you open up that blue for me? So we have the continents here, and now I have blue. So I'm just gonna color that in like it's water.
While you do that, I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna make an orange.
An orange?
Yeah, so all I gotta do is color it orange. Nice and simple.
All done. Check out the earth. Look at it. Next, I say we draw on our cups.
Oh, okay.
What do I want to do? Let's see.
I think I'm gonna write my name on mine. Let's see. I'm gonna put Princess Pham's. Oh, maybe I should put it here. Yeah. Princess Pham's. Oh, magnet.
And I'm gonna draw on mine. So I am, see if you can guess what I am drawing. All the way down to the bottom. Nope, it's not a rainbow. And then I'm gonna use black to color in the bottom, like so. I hope you can tell this is a magnet. Alrighty, now what, Princess Pham?
Now we're going to have to create some static.
Okay, like this?
Hey, that's a good idea. That might really work. But I say we make it a little bit more styrofoamy. I would put. I think you're making your hair staticky.
Oh.
But it's okay. Okay, while you use your hair, I'm gonna use this towel to create some static. Okay, let's see maybe who can get more static. Do you think Princess T's hair has more static, or do you think my towel has more static? I don't know. That might be a close one. All right. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna have to create more static because.
Let me see.
Go, 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 Princess T. Oh,
Is it working?
there was a little bit of movement.
We need more hair rubbing.
We need more static. Oh, my hair too.
I don't know if this is gonna work. That's why it's called a science experiment.
Yep, we are experimenting.
See if this works. Oh, my static!
I saw some static.
Oh! Whoa!
Awesome, Princess T.
That's super cool. Let me do it again.
Okay, I'm trying to build up a lot of static here. I'm just gonna keep going and going and going.
All right, let's try. Oh,
There it goes. Whoa! But I want to create so much static that hopefully my foil goes on top.
Oh, come on, come on. Come on, move. It's moving a little bit.
Yep, that means we need more static.
Need more static. Okay, let me try it now.
Ooh. Whoa! Little movement.
Little bit of movement. I'll take that. Oh. Oh.
Whoa! Look, Princess T. I finally created enough static to pick it up.
I need more static. Okay, I'm gonna try this.
Okay, I'm gonna try to pick up the world, guys. Come on.
Pick up the world.
Come on. I think I'm real close, but I'm moving it around.
That's so cool.
Come here, world. Come on. Let's
like
spin around in
magic.
circles.
Hey.
Hey, it looks like your hair
I
has
think
more
my
static
hair
than
has
your
more
towel.
static. Yep, back to rubbing on my hair.
All right, I think I'm gonna keep using my towel because I don't want to make my hair frizzy. So let's go. Okay, I'm gonna put my little orange right here in the middle, and let's see if I can pick it up. Now.
Oh.
No, it's not sticking, but it is moving. Kind of like a magic trick.
Alright, I think making my hair a mess, but it's worth it for the experiment. Alright, and let's try it now. Ooh, I know it's moving. Come on, pick it up. Nope. Alright, we can move it around. No, that's it. No. What are you gonna try next, Princess Pham?
Well, I think I'm gonna try this llama's hair. What do you think?
Do you think it's gonna work?
I don't know. I'm just trying everything around the house. I mean,
You
why
never
not?
know, right?
Yep, okay. This llama got some nice hair here. And then, let's see. So, yes.
Oh my goodness. Whoa,
Whoa,
that's some super strong static. Princess Pham, you know who has lots of hair? Queen bee or royal bee. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Ooh, see if it works. Just rub. Hopefully that's enough. Okay, let's try it.
Good luck. Hey, it looks like Queen Bee's hair had no static.
No static.
All right, let me
Nope.
show you how it's done. Here we go. All right, we've created enough static here, I think. And let's try to move this one again.
Whoa!
You see that? You see that? I had the world in my hands.
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
I think Boppy, the booty shaking llama, hair created the most static out of everything that we tried so far. Okay friends, that's the end of today's video, but we challenged you to go around the house and find random things to try to make some static and let us know what works the best.
If you like more science experiments, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, Prince and Princesses! Bye!